Hi everyone, my name is Ziwon, and this is the explanation for the homework number 6, question number 13. So, write a function slope x1, y1, x2, y2 that returns the slope of the line through the points x1, y1, and x2, y2. Be sure the slope can pass the following test. So, whatever the question want we to do, the first step is just write a function. So define the slope x1, y1, x2, y2. Here's the function, and then the formula for the slope is just y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So that's the formula. So we return that formula. And those things is in the shell, we talk about later. And because this is the function, like the slope, it's in the math background. So the module is math. So import math. And the second is use the slope in a new function named the intercept. x1, y1, x2, y2. That returns the y-intercept of the line through the points x1, y1, and x2, y2. So the second function is the define intercept. We can see here. So it's define intersect x1, y1, x2, y2. And the formula for that just, the intercept is the point through the y-axis. So we return that. And we can see that. Let's run this. And we can test it. So for here, it's test slope 5342 is 1.0. So we copy those and put it in here. Okay, so let's see. Oh no. Here's the, it's not right. Here we can see it's 1.0. And as this one. Here's 0.0, which is the second one. And those two are same as these two. And for the intercept function, let's try 16312. So it's 0.0. And let's see the third one. 46128. Yeah, so it's 5.0. So these are the two functions for this question.